Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day everyone. My name is Muhammad Afiq Muhaimin bin Ahmad Rizwan from 2PPSMP Mathematics 1, and today I will be presenting for my course MTES 1132 Appreciation of Mathematics. Okay, my topic is about photographic composition via the golden spiral. Many people see mathematics as a dry subject of numbers and also exams. But today, I want to show you how math is actually the secret code behind the most beautiful things we see in nature and also in the arts. To understand the beauty, we must first look at the foundation, which is the Fibonacci sequence. Fibonacci sequence is a series where each number is the sum of two preceding ones. While it was popularized in the West by Leonardo of Pisa to describe the growth of rabbit populations, its significance goes much deeper. As we progress through the sequence, the ratio between the consecutive numbers will approach to the golden ratio, or phi, which is approximately 1.618. As noted by Hubner in 2024, the more squares we add to a Fibonacci construction, the more it resembles the golden spiral. I love the quote by Adhikari, which states that geometry has two great treasures, the Pythagorean theorem and the division of a line into the golden ratio. This ratio is the starting point of what we call divine proportion. Let's dwell a little deeper into this diagram. Notice the perfect alignment of squares. The beauty of mathematics here is found in its incremental growth. We start with a tiny 1 and 1. Then it naturally expands to a 2. Then a 3. It's like watching a life form grow. Each square side is the sum of the two before it, which is, this is not just a calculation, it is a harmonious expansion. When we trace the spiral through these points, we are witnessing a transition from linear geometry to organic curves. This transition is what makes it beautiful. It is the moment where rigid numbers lose their hardness and become fluid. This is why we call it the blueprint of elegance, because even without the lines, our eyes can feel the balance that these hidden squares provide. Elegance in photography. Now, why do we use the word elegance for this specific composition? Okay, in the world of art, elegance means simplicity that carries deep meaning. As Naini mentions in the 2024 study, while the rule of thirds is a great starting point for beginners, the golden spiral is for those who want to capture the soul of a subject. The rule of thirds creates a grid which can sometimes feel static or forced. But the golden spiral, because it follows a logarithmic curve, it creates a natural flow. It mimics how we look at a sunset or a winding river. It will lead the viewer's eye in a journey starting from the both edges and spiraling down into the eye of the spiral where the subject sits. This is the mathematical elegance. It is a silent guide. It doesn't scream for attention. It gently whispers to our brain that the image is balanced, timeless, and in harmony with the cosmos, just as Ali Zaidi explored in the significance of this proportions. For the reflections, finally, I would like to share my reflections. This project has changed how I view the world, okay? First, it has given me a new lens on reality. Math is actually no longer just numbers on a page or symbols I use in my tutorials, but it is a hidden language that shapes every flower, every shell, and also every galaxy. Second, I have discovered the intersection of logic and also emotion. The golden spiral proves that the perfect logic leads to a perfect feeling of beauty. When I see a well-composed photo, I now realize I am actually having an emotional reaction to a mathematical truth. Lastly, I have learned about intentionality in arts. Beauty isn't an accident. It is a mathematical harmony that can be studied, understood, and applied by us. My perspective has shifted from simply looking at things to analyzing the hidden geometry behind them. I now appreciate that math is the heartbeat of elegance. In conclusions, the golden spiral is more than just a geometric shape. It is the bridge where abstract logic meets the ecstatic emotions. It proves that the mathematics is the unseen heartbeat of beauty, providing a timeless sense of harmony to the world around us.